If there was 5 skills every videographer should master to become valuable, not just creatives, these are it. Not another gimbal trick, not upgrading to 4K 120, not buying a $200 LUT pack from your favorite YouTuber. These are skills that actually generate revenue because they solve problems for businesses. And in part 2, I'll show you how to showcase these skills without saying a word, so clients see your value before they even see your reel. There's also a downloadable skill to client conversion kit available inside FlashFilmAcademy.com that comes with part 2 of this video. But first, let's roll my intro. What's good? It's your boy Ty, former Army combat photographer and the founder of FlashFilm Academy. This ain't one of those YouTube channels run by a guru living off brand deals and selling you pipe dreams. We don't sell fantasies here, bruh. We build profitable content businesses. Everything we teach is battle tested in the field and used to land real clients, real contracts, and real results by me and real FlashFilm Academy members actively in the trenches. So let's talk about the 5 technical and strategic skills that consistently lead to more bookings, higher trust, and repeat clients. Number 1, strategic storytelling. Most creators focus on visual. Clients pay for impact. Learn how to open with a problem, position a clear solution, close with a call to action, connect your video's message to your client's business goals. If your video doesn't move the viewer to think, feel, or act, you're not helping the business. You're just decorating the internet. This is the number 1 most overlooked, underdeveloped, highly paid skill in video. Number 2, understanding light, not just gear. You can't fix bad lighting with a LUT. Learn how to use direction, contrast, and shadows to shape emotion. Control lighting ratios for a consistent professional look. Use light meters to create repeatable results. I know too many people that don't own light meters. They didn't have 5 or 6 cameras, but haven't bought a light meter. You can't trust the light meter in your camera. That's the first thing they teach you in photography or videography school. The light meter in your camera is designed to get everything exposed the same, and that's not what we're trying to do, especially if we have a subject in the frame. Next, we need to light in a way that supports your subject and story. Light separates amateurs from professionals faster than any camera ever could. There's nothing like a flat image to tell me you ain't there yet, bruh. Sorry. The problem is a lot of people don't hang around trained photographers enough to know, and they think they can just pick it up any place and know it. It just don't work like that. I can spot a trained photographer or videographer instantly as compared to someone who's self-taught. Number 3, capturing and cleaning dialogue audio. Audio is what separates content from communication. Learn how to properly mic talent, whether it be lavalier, boom, handheld, and also run a backup to it. You gotta have a backup audio source. So many people just go in there with one mic, and if that mic go, you're done. I can lose image. If I still got audio, I can make it work. If I got an image and no audio, you're done. Now, like I was saying, you want to reduce echo, hum, and background noise. Use tools like RX, EQ, and denoiser in post. You also got to learn how to mix dialogue to be crystal clear across all devices. CEOs don't care about your transitions, but they will care if they can't hear what their customer's testimony is saying. Now, here's a quick reminder. Don't forget to grab our free Capture and Convert kit, your blueprint for turning cold leads into book clients. It's available for free over at FlashFilmAcademy.com. Go ahead and check that out. Number 4, color correction before color grading. Clients care about accuracy, not just aesthetics. Learn how to balance skin tones, match cameras and angles, properly white balance every scene. Learn how to keep colors true to the brand or product. If the CEO's skin tone look orange or the product is misrepresented, that's not cinematic, that's bad business. Correct it before you create. Number 5 is your ability to edit for retention. Creative edits look good, strategic edits convert. Learn how to hook your viewer in the first 5 seconds. Cut ruthlessly to keep attention. Use sound design and pacing to emotionally guide the audience. Build momentum towards a call to action or a clear message. Your edits should guide viewers like a sales funnel, not like a mood board. If you learned something valuable today, hit that like or heart this video. It helps the channel grow. And don't forget, we got so much more coming in part 2. Listen, most creatives obsess over frame rates, transitions, and plugins because that's what the YouTube algorithm rewards. But what actually makes clients open their wallet is story, sound, lighting, accuracy, retention. If you knew better, you do better, and now you do. So what are you gonna do with the knowledge I just gave you today? Because every business needs video content. So why aren't they hiring you? When you're ready to build a business and not just a timeline or portfolio, join FlashFilmAcademy.com. We've helped thousands of creators become confident, profitable, data-driven problem solvers for high-paying clients. And you're next. See you in the next video.
Hi there, greetings from Sweden. My name is Ida, and what I really appreciate and love about the lives is that it gives such a sense of community with other people who are on the same journey as myself. Or for a really long time, I doubted if I could do this whole thing, like having my own company. But recently, after I found your channel, I felt I was empowered and equipped with the tools to actually go ahead and start something. So I have done that. And I absolutely love the lives because of the interaction and the sense of community. So I just want to say thank you and keep up the wonderful work.